If you've heard the word automation a lot and you've thought, cool, but what does that actually mean in human work? You're not alone. Automation is not taking over your job. Most of the time, it's just software handling digital tasks behind the scenes that you used to do by hand. Things like moving data between apps, sending notifications, updating records. In other words, automation usually removes the boring part, not the interesting stuff. One of the biggest misconceptions about automation is that it means replacing jobs. Most of the time, what it really means is reduce busy work, prevent mistakes, speed up handoffs, and free up attention. Because here's the thing that most people realize: work isn't too hard, it's just constant. Automation tends to create the biggest wins in places where information moves between one app and another, the same task happens repeatedly, or the timing matters but the task itself is simple. A good rule of thumb: if you've done the same task 10 times this week, it's probably a good candidate for automation. If you're new to automation, don't try to automate your entire workflow right away. Start small. Pick a task that you repeat often, is easy to verify, and won't cause chaos if it misfires. Pro tip: your future self will be glad for even one task taken off their plate. Automation isn't magic. It's just a way to make software do some of the busy work, so it can free you up to focus on what really matters. If you're curious to learn more, check out workload.co and start automating today.